Hello! Today we'll be covering how to install Zoom. In order to access your virtual classroom in Zoom, you need to have the Zoom software application downloaded to your computer. To begin this one-time installation, open any internet browser and go to zoom.us/download. Click on the blue download button to install Zoom on your computer. For Windows, save the zoominstaller.exe to your computer and then click on it in your downloads bar when it appears. You'll see a prompt asking you to run the file. Click the Run button and Zoom will install to your computer. Once you've installed Zoom, you never need to again. However, you'll need to sign into your UVic Zoom account every time you want to join a virtual class.